Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be a really quick video, but we are going to be doing our Morphe Me unboxing for the month of March. I know I've been super hit and miss with this box, you guys. It's just because I've been getting them really late, and by then, so many other influencers have already thrown it out, so I'm like, well, what's the point? But anywho, we're going to get jumping right into it because this video usually takes me like 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get into it. If you guys want to know all about it, basically, Morphe has a subscription service that goes through Live Glam. You pay, I believe, $20 to $21 a month. I'm on auto pay, so I don't know. But you pay that amount, and then it just, every month you get a bag of brushes. You can get anywhere from 3 brushes to 5 brushes, face brushes, eye brushes. We've gotten a beauty sponge before, which is pretty cool. So that is what we're going to check out and see, you know, what we're getting this month, you guys. So let's get diving into this. So here is their, is this their like rose gold collection? Oh, you guys, look at this. They changed up their packaging on it too. I love it. Very sterile. I'm gonna need scissors now. So it used to come like just in like that flimsy packaging, which now they all come individually wrapped, and then they have the other wrapping right on top of it. Very nice. So the very first one we have here is the Morphe R3. This here is going to be perfect for cream products if you guys like to apply any cream products. I don't do a lot of cream contour here on my channel, so I definitely probably wouldn't use it for that, but I could see myself really using it for underneath the eyes, especially setting underneath the eyes. I use a lot of brushes to set underneath my eyes, but this one is really soft, you guys. The next brush we have here is the Morphe R4. So here is what the brush looks like. It is perfect for powder contour, in my opinion. It's got just the perfect angle to do the powder contour. Ooh, it's nice and soft too. Sometimes I feel like angled brushes like this are pretty dense and hard, and it just makes it a little bit difficult to do a powder contour. Like, it's easy to apply, but then to blend it out, it can be very difficult. But this one is really soft. This line's really small, but it has it's like a chemical scent to it. I don't know that I like that. Okay. Oh, you guys can wait, I don't have to do that. Oh, I've been cutting it this time. You guys can just peel it right off. The next brush I have here is the Morphe R42. So this is a brush that they would consider to use to pat down eyeshadows on the lid, or to use for concealer underneath your eyes. So I think it would be perfect to chisel out my brow bone. I've been looking for a new brow brush to chisel out with concealer because my other one, the one by Anastasia, has like frayed so much. So I'm very excited about this. This is probably my most excited product right now. The scent here is a little strong. I don't like that, you guys. All my other brushes didn't have this strong smell, but this one does. I don't know why. Okay, the last one we have here is the Morphe R33. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. It's a very stiff round blender, as what they call it. It says that you can use it to apply, you know, powder or whatever it is that you're looking for, whether it's a cream product or a powder product, more precisely, like on the tip of your nose or right here. It says you can use it underneath your eyes. I personally would not use it underneath my eyes. I think it's just a little too stiff and it's a little too big, in my opinion. We'll have to figure this one out. Usually anything like this dense, I normally just use to apply like any sort of cream base to my eyes before I do my eye makeup. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like these brushes are just in my opinion, just they don't do anything for me. I have quite a few of these that look like this, and I'm like, meh. So yeah, so that is everything that we are getting in our bag for this month. We're getting a total of 4 brushes. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever it is out there. Make sure to subscribe down below before you guys head out. And if you guys have any comments or questions about any of these products, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to try to answer them as fast as possible. So thank you guys again, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing or video. Well, I should just say video, right? Yeah. All right, you guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.